Unprofitable traders have the wrong idea of what it takes to become profitable, and it's not a 99.5% win rate strategy.
I am shooketh.
If trading strategies alone made traders profitable, millions of traders that mental help would already be consistently winning. But they're not, and it's not because they haven't found the right strategy, it's because they can't stick to the correct process long enough to actually reap the benefits of profitable trading. If you're watching this video, you probably resonate with what I've said. And to be clear, that's not entirely your fault. Trading media is filled with influencers LARPing, selling you the idea that systematic trading is what you need to finally make it. In reality, most of them don't even strictly follow their strategies. They sell. Deep down, they know the real separator is not the strategy, it's the trader's process and how well they adhere to it, regardless of the setup that they might be following. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're being misled by your favorite mentors into believing that the strategy that they sell is what's missing in your trading, when in reality, the only edge they have over you is the fact that they do not need to perform on a daily basis because of the cash flow that they're getting from selling you the courses. And I'll also be sharing the systematic approach, which is behavior oriented, that made me profitable after years of struggling with day trading. So make sure you stick around. Retail traders are taught to chase perfection, perfect setup, perfect indicator combination, a perfect system that removes losses entirely. So you find yourself hopping from strategy to strategy.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
From mentor to mentor, every loss chips away at your confidence, and every new strategy resets your hope. Years pass and you're still not profitable. Not because you're incapable, but because you've been programmed to focus on the wrong problem. Why? Because strategies are easy to sell. You can see them on the chart. You can cherry pick backtests. You can market them with good results. What you can't easily sell is a process. You can't screenshot discipline. You can't market emotional control. You can't make risk management look sexy. So these parts get ignored. The reality is, markets are not clean. They are random, probabilistic, noisy, and constantly changing. No strategy works in all conditions. Every strategy has drawdown. Losses are not a flow. They are unavoidable. The traders who survive understand this. The traders who don't survive tend to keep searching for certainty in an uncertain environment. That search will never end. Profitable trading, simply put, is about waiting until one outcome is more probable than another, and then executing with strict risk management. When you do this for long enough, you will reap the rewards. Without a backbone to trading, any strategy is set to fail. Now let me help you flip the page once and for all. The first battle in trading is not against the market. It happens before you even enter the arena. If you can't manage tilt, if you can't respect risk, if you can't wait patiently for valid conditions, the market will expose you, no matter what strategy you use. You can't out-strategy a poor mindset. You can't override emotional instability with indicators. Your ability to walk away victorious starts with one thing, whether you're mentally fit to trade that day at all. You must build a system that guides you daily on how to behave as a trader. Think of the most profitable traders in history. None of them are strategy fixated. They are process fixated. They understand markets are random and market variance will test your patience. It will test your ability to not go on tilt. Imagine getting stopped out by a small margin and the trade going your way. Imagine not getting filled on an order and then the trade going your way exponentially. If you're unable to control these emotions when they do arise, you will never be profitable. That is why the best traders focus on building the best behavior possible. They understand markets are random, and rather than strategy obsessing, they focus on protecting the things that they can control. Your system should include max risk per trade, max loss per trade, general reminders about the market, general reminders about your downfalls, and general reminders on how to act day by day. Ultimately, your system should help you get in the correct mindset that allows you to trade to your best ability and to protect you from the possibility of tilt, which is the leading factor to unprofitability in retail trading. My turning point wasn't a new setup. It wasn't some secret indicator. It was when I built a simple 5-minute daily process that gave me the best chance of winning long-term in an uncertain market. That shift didn't give me instant profits. It gave me consistency, control, and eventually led to profitability. The edge wasn't the strategy, it was the system that governed how I showed up every day. If you want the exact template I put together to make me profitable, the links will be down in the description. I will gladly send it to anyone interested, free of charge. But remember, it is up to you to follow it, and no one can save you, I can only guide you.